Good afternoon, folks. My name is Michael Mara. I'm coming to you from Somers Point, New Jersey. Here I want to take you through the 241 Sailfish. This is the newest model that Sailfish has put out that we're very excited about. Let's start on the bow here. We have a huge anchor locker, recessed nav lights, and on both sides here we have insulated fish boxes. Plenty of room to put your beverages, your fish, food, beverages. And the creature comforts of the bow is nice. You have the wraparound seating with the back bolsters. Let's come around and we'll take a peek at the head here. As you come around, you'll see the forward-facing seat, the front of the console. When you look down in the head, all the heads in the Sailfish, no matter what size, have a 5'9" clearance. You see the ample room in there, as well as the storage, easy access to your electronics and your battery switch. Moving back, let's take a look at the construction of the T-top. It's all powder coating. We have LED lights up top. And if you come back here, plenty of room behind the wheel. You have your GPS Garmin X5, your Yamaha digital readouts, and your Fusion stereo system. This boat has a Yamaha 250, so it does come with the digital throttle system, Lanco trim tabs, tilt wheel, and Sailfish loves their cup holders. You have two cup holders at the helm and a comfort handle right here. So on this side of the helm seat, we have a little bit more storage. And if you look in the storage, you'll notice it's just a small cooler. I do a lot of fishing. I think what this would be good for, a good application maybe, you can put your strip baits if you're flounder fishing. You can put some live kellies in there on a wet rag. You can even put some trolling ballyhoo in there. So it's just nice, you don't have to bend over, everything's right there. Or you can put your couple sodas in there or a couple bottles of water. Looking back here, you'll see this little slot here. So inside the helm, there's a cutting table that comes out. So you can cut all your bait, your fish, your lunch, your cheese and crackers, however you want to do it. But you can do everything right here with the comfort of standing up. You have a nice dry tray right here. You can place your phone. It has a soft rubber mat so you won't lose your phone. And in here, ample storage. This whole area inside is it's all open. So you can put everything from life jackets to tackle to blankets to anything that you need inside there. Looking back, Sailfish did a great job with this seat. You're going to have it in the up position for fishing. You have a nice leaning area right here. Or if you need some comfort on your way out, drop it down and you can seat two more people there. Also on that side, there is a separate seat in that groove, so you can put 3 people across the back. Over here we have a lit up live well. All the live wells are insulated, so if you're not going out fishing, you can still fill that up with ice and your beverages or your food, whatever you need for the day. Or if you don't want to fill it up with anything, you line it with a trash bag and it's a good place to put your trash. So one of the patented designs on every Sailfish is the retractable tow bar. Down out of the way for fishing, you guys can have fun, tubing, skiing, you have it up and out of the way. We have rod holders all throughout the boat. We have a freshwater wash down right here, which comes in handy. Also on both sides of the corners, you'll notice this little area, this little thing here. What it does, there's a ring that comes right on top there. You can preset your fenders. Again, Sailfish tries to make your life as easy as possible, and that's the best thing that can happen on the water. So I hope you enjoy our little walkthrough of the 241. If you have any questions, contact me, Michael Mara, or any sales consultant here at MarineMax Somers Point. Have a great day. We'll see you on the water.